Greetings, fellow traders. I got a special request to do another volume profile video, so I want to do volume profile crucial tips in less than 3 minutes. Okay, so normal volume bars give volume over time, and volume profile gives volume by price. Okay, so I have the SPY pulled up here. You can see these are the normal volume bars down here, right? Clearly they give it by time, right? As time goes on, we can see what the volume is. But when we pull up the volume profile, we'll be able to see the amount of volume by price. And this is critical when we're trading because it tells us where a lot of the support and resistance areas are based on trade activity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the volume profile. All you do here in Thinkorswim is you go to Add Studies, you can go alphabetical, you go down to the V, and you go Volume Profile, and that pulls up just like this. Okay, so you saw the volume profile was on the right, so you can customize your volume profile. I like mine on the left, so I turned the on expansion to no, and I also like the opacity lower, and this, of course, will be different per platform. So in Thinkorswim, all you have to do is basically just pull up, edit the volume profile, and you can customize it. Okay, so this is the customized window. So what I like to do, like I said, on expansion, I like it to be equal to no. And then I usually bring the opacity down to maybe about 20%, so it's not as bold as those blue ones there. So I hit apply. And then we can see, you can actually see these volume profiles now are way up here, these big volume levels at certain key areas, right? So you can start to see here, this big volume level here is at 283. You have 278, 275. So these are very big levels. So critical tip number one, draw levels at the major levels. This is where the long lines are. So think of the gaps in volume as fast tracks to the next level. So I've heard these called air pockets before, but basically between these big levels, you can see quick moves between these price points. Thinkorswim does us the honor of already drawing a few key levels in here, but I'm going to put a few in right now. So you can see here, I've drawn these here, so you can see how well these levels are respected. So critical tip 2, look to 1 to 3 major time frames. When you draw these, I use the 5-day, 5-minute, but I also use the 1 day, 1 year, and use the time frame that you prefer to trade on. And finally, customize it to your liking. Drawing the levels can help a lot on your time frame, and you can even remove the profile and just use the levels, but just be sure to update. And that's it. If you like learning about day trading and technical analysis, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join us on our free nightly market live streams where we go over the state of the market, go over technical ideas, and take chart requests.